Mary Poppins, Billy. Yep, there is going to be singing and dancing. Oh no. D. Emily Mortimer. Julie Waters. Pixie Davies. Nathaniel Soleil. Oh! Joel Dawson.
Hey, Bill?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know if there's any pizza left?
I ate it all. It was real good.
Really?
No, if there is, it's wrapped in foil. I can't say for sure that there is or there isn't. I haven't. The last time I saw it was this morning. It was out, and I don't know if there's any left or not. Hey,
Huh?
there's a cup of noodles in the pantry, I think.
I can't eat those.
Why not?
They're cherry.
Well, look at it. Maybe it is. It's different. It's a different one. I just got it today.
Where is it?
I don't. I mean, maybe your mom hasn't put the groceries away yet, but I would imagine it's in the pantry.
Oh, okay.
Did you find it? What flavor is it?
Chicken flavor.
You can't have it.
No.
That's sad.
Not really.
I feel sorry for you. How was school?
Fine.
Did you learn anything?
No.
Nothing?
Nope.
What's 4 plus 6?
7.
They're doing a good job.
Yep.
You want to come here and spend some time with your brother? I'm doing a little short video of him.
What?
Do you want to come here and get on the camera?
1 second. Let me get off my backpack. I'll be right there. Kendra's taking a while. She had to go back because she lost something.
I think Billy is enjoying the Mary Poppins.
Oh, is this a new one?
This is the new Mary Poppins, yes ma'am. But instead of watching this, I think you should go do your math homework instead.
I already did it.
Your math homework?
Yep.
And 4 plus 6 equals 7?
4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Bubbies. Come here. Come here, give me hugs. Up. Oh no, I'll put it back. Come on, stand up.
Just for anybody watching this video, Billy really dislikes his sister. He has come to me in secrecy and told me that he thinks she stinks and that she looks weird.
Those things are trash anyway.
What'd you lose, Kendra?
Too many little cards.
That is Audrey's best friend, Kendra.
No, it's not.
Can he eat what? What is it? Can he eat it? No. It doesn't look like food. Oh, you mean would he eat it? He might try.
There, I fixed it.
Say thank you, Kendra, for sharing. What do you got?
No, you didn't. That's a lie. Yeah, it is.
Kinda, sorta. It's not really a kit. It just comes in a couple easy pieces to snap together. It flies good. We need a bigger room. If you take it outside, It's designed to do like loops and stuff. Be careful and try not to throw it over the neighbor's fence, and don't throw it in the road. Have at it, Kendra. Show him how to throw the airplane. It's okay, Billy. Go ahead. Go play. We got some furniture for the patio. It's pretty much done, I would think. Billy, can I see the airplane? Let me see if I can get a good loop going here without going in the neighbor's yard. You ready? Billy, we do it on the count of 3. Billy, 1, 2. The wind kicked up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. We're trespassing, Billy. We're trespassing. Guys, that was just a black snake there, just so you know. That was really just a black snake. Jen said she saw one out here the other day. There's a snake underneath the trampoline, Kendra. Be careful. Keep an eye on Billy, okay? If I get a hold of him, there's going to be one less black snake. And I'm sure he got back there in that thick business there. Wild, wonderful Florida. Yep. Well, guys, this video is getting pretty long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short. Hey, Kendra, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Billy, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Not so much? What do you got? He's really excited you gave that to him, Kendra. Have a good day, guys.